hope you get it together.
I hope you do too.
Oh, girl.
Hi YouTube, it's your girl PB. You know what time it is? It was gonna be PB and J time, but I don't want no copyright, so sorry. Today is spa day, so we're gonna do the whole shebang, you know, take care of the face, do a little pedicure, shave, because even though we are being quarantined right now, it's very important to take care of ourselves spiritually, mentally, emotionally, but physically. I'm gonna show you how you can use this quarantine time to take care of yourself. So, okay, when I'm doing a spa day, I like to start off with my face because I always end in a mask, like a face mask, while I'm doing other stuff. Step 1, tie your hair up, girl. Tie your hair up, because we're gonna wash that face. We're gonna wash that face. I think this is so cute. Like, what? Oh my gosh. Okay. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. I like that. I like that. No, I don't want no scrub.
Will you keep quiet?
But I want this scrub. If I did want a scrub, I want this scrub. So.
Equate Beauty actually changed the packaging of their mandarin and pink lemon scrub, so I inserted a picture. So next step is the face mask, and I start by mixing Freeman's Anti-Stress Clay Mask with a few pumps of any oil that's actually good for the face, and then I go ahead and sprinkle in some Indian Healing Clay. This is what the concoction should look like. Then I'm just gonna continue mixing. Look at the wrist. I'm sorry, that was lame. But yeah, I just take any excess and I store it in this little jar, and I keep it for future use. Now I start by applying what I had left in the bowl, and I do like to start off my mask thinly because I find that the thicker they are, the more they irritate my skin. When I feel like I have enough product on, I wash the bowl and the brush, and then I let my face dry, and I'll be right back.
Okay, so I'm like obsessed with bubble baths and bath salt, not the drug, and scrubs and bath bombs. This part of my window just dedicated to scrubs and bubble baths and bath bombs and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna actually hop in the shower, and then when I'm out, we'll continue the spa night. Yeah.
Before I hop in the shower, I thought I'd show you the bar soap I use for my body and my face. I use the Sunfeather Sugar Cookie Bar Soap on my body and the Grandpa Soap Company's Rose Clay Purifying Bar Soap on my face. Then, before I get in the shower, I like to apply Nair to remove as much hair as possible before I shave. And I use the spoon to spread the product out. Fresh out the shower, but I saved one leg to show you guys my shaving routine. I find that using hair conditioner along with shaving cream gives me the best finish and the smoothest skin. And I also go in with my pink Joy razor from Gillette because I feel like it's the best razor for less skin irritation. So now that I have my pajamas on, we cannot forget about these teeth, honey. My extensive dental regimen starts off with using charcoal toothpaste from the Hello Company. And once I'm done with that, I go in with some floss. It's my favorite part actually. Gives you the healthiest gums. Then I move on to using Sensodyne with my electric Oral-B toothbrush. And I brush, brush, brush. Look at me trying to be cute. If you do not have a water pick, I am telling you to go and get one right now. They are so beneficial and one of the best investments, hand down. And then I just finish off with my Crest 3D mouthwash and pop in my retainers. Then most importantly, I pop on my lip oil from LA Colors. Then I'm gonna moisturize my face with some cream that I actually make myself. I love DIY, so I can't wait to do a video about all my little crafty spa things that I make myself. Right now, as you can see, I'm rubbing the moisturizer in, and I'm all done. For my foot soak, I'm going to use the vanilla bubble bath soap and the lavender bath salts from Ulta. I start by pouring in a pretty generous, hefty amount of soap, and then I top it off with the bath salts. Please, 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 don't come and judge my little piggies. Why? I like to remove old nail polish before putting my feet in to soak. So first I go in with a hard brush to clean my feet. Then I go in with a magical little pet egg to remove the dead skin from my feet. And then I finish it off with the Victoria's Secret body scrub in the scent Heavenly. Next up, I moisturize with shea butter. Wait, na your friend of the real enkuto. Period. Then I slide on my little slippers. As you can see, my scarf is on and I'm ready for bed. Bye, YouTube.